today is a beautiful day. It is bright and sunny. If you've watched this channel for a while, you know we've had a lot of gloomy weather. Raining, dark, but not today. No, today it is perfect. It is bright and sunny. The temperatures are just right. And we are headed out to the hiking trail today to one of my favorite spots. A place where I actually grew up. And it is just beautiful scenery. It is the perfect hike in the forest. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mike. And what I do here is point of view hiking videos. And I record it in 4K. That way you get to feel like you are here on the hiking trail too. You see it through the lens of the GoPro camera. And while we go along, I tell you some kind of story, funny story, dramatic story, maybe a life lesson. And today I'm going to be talking about my special way to mow the lawn. Yeah, it is that time of the year where the grass is growing, and it's growing fast, and every week you gotta pull out that lawnmower and start mowing that grass down. We definitely don't want to let the lawn get out of control, and certainly don't want to piss off the neighbors. So we gotta mow the lawn. But I have a special way of doing it. A way that maybe some of you haven't thought about. And so I'm going to present that today. But first, there's some business we gotta take care of. As I said, my name is Mike, and this is Hiking with Mike, where I go on these hikes through the forest, through a meadow, around a lake, and I record these videos in 4K using my GoPro camera, which is surgically attached to my eyeball. Yep, I have it surgically attached to one of my eyeballs. The only thing is you're going to have to figure out which one. Is it the left eye or is it the right eye? And I do a video every week, well, 2 videos every week. So if you would like to be notified of these videos when they get released, then why not subscribe? And do it today. It's pretty easy to do. There's that little button right over there that says subscribe. Just click it. Click on that subscribe button and then hit that bell to be notified when a new video is released. Also, if you like this video, just hit that like button. I want you to give it a good hit. You know what? A hit that makes it cry. Because it's been naughty. So say, hey, like button, you've been naughty. I'm going to give you a big hit. Of course, by being violent towards the like button doesn't really get us anywhere. But if we still hit it to the point where that like button goes up, it helps the video. And then more people will know about the video because what we're doing is we're telling YouTube, hey, people like this video and maybe others would like to see it. Because if people don't like the video and they don't subscribe, then guess what happens? This channel goes bye-bye. Hey, I could probably turn that into some kind of poem. Well, anyways, there's one last thing I gotta do before we get into the rest of the video and I tell you my special way of mowing the lawn. And that is what I like to call a shameless plug. It's where I plug or promote or advertise, whatever word you want to use, something of mine. Yeah, something of mine. I am my own sponsor. And I'm going to do that shameless plug right now. This is Mike with a shameless plug for my own website. I actually have a few websites, but today I would like to introduce you to MikeMBurkeDesigns.com. If you're looking for cool items to add to your home, give as a gift, we got Christmas, you've got birthdays, there are plenty of things to choose from here at MikeMBurkeDesigns.com. A lot of these items are designed for the home. We have beautiful items for your bedroom, for your living room, all kinds of different themes. So check out MikeMBurkeDesigns.com and order today. And there's my shameless plug. Like many of you, I have been mowing lawns ever since I was a kid. When I was 13 years old, neighbors would pay me to mow their lawn, and it was great because I was raking in the dough. As an adult, to make extra money, I did the same thing. I have mowed many lawns in my day, for such a young guy such as myself. So now I'm going to share with you my tips of how to properly mow a lawn. The first thing you want to do is dress properly for the occasion. You want to make sure that you're wearing clothing that will help the air flow through. You may work up quite a sweat outside in the sun, so put on loose-fitting pants and perhaps a t-shirt. I would avoid wearing shorts as the lawnmower may shoot out projectiles. Now the most important thing is to wear sunscreen. Now I know you may want to have that farmer's tan, however, you also want to make sure that when you're 80 years old, you don't look like a woman's leather handbag. Lace up your shoes of choice and make sure there's nothing loose, because you don't want that mower blade grabbing a shoelace and turning you into chopped meat. Yikes! Now you must go outside for the next step. Head out the doors and go into your shed or your garage and pull out the lawnmower. Be sure to check the oil and the gasoline. Refill if necessary. You also want to make sure that the blades are nice and sharp. Now go bring the lawnmower outside and prepare for the work ahead. You know, as I think about it, before you fire up that machine, go back inside and put on a pair of shorts. Or even better, put on a bathing suit. Shirts are optional. Now go back outside and be sure to grab your sunglasses. Come to think of it, you're going to work up quite a sweat. You know what? Go back inside and grab yourself a tall glass and load it up with ice and fill it with your favorite non-alcoholic beverage. As a matter of fact, go grab a cooler and load it with beer and have that ready for later. Now bring your beverage or cooler outside and set it up in your favorite spot on your deck or your porch. Now let's go head to the lawnmower. You know what? Let's not fire up this lawnmower yet. We forgot a few things. Go back inside the house and go grab a Bluetooth speaker. And let's get our phone hooked up to that thing, because we're going to want some tunes later on. Okay, now this next step may not apply to everyone, but if you happen to have a swimming pool, this would be a good time to make sure that's all ready to go. Make sure it's cleaned and ready for swimming. A dip in the pool after lawn mowing is as refreshing as it gets. Now set up your cooler and beverage next to your favorite chair. Hook up that Bluetooth and make sure that the tunes are coming out. While I think about it, you probably want to go inside and grab a towel. Now, of course, we have to go back inside the house, so while we're there, we might as well make a sandwich. You want to make sure that the lawn mowing experience is one we will enjoy, so when the lawn is mowed, we get to relax with a tasty beverage, listening to great music while eating a tasty sandwich next to the pool. Now that the sandwich has been made, bring it outside and set it up by the pool or on your porch, whatever, wherever you're going to be set up. Now we're ready for the fun part. Go back out to the lawnmower and be sure to have your phone with you. This is very important for this next step in my special way of mowing a lawn. Okay, here we go. Ready? Grab the handle of the lawnmower, look at it for a moment, and think about the amount of work that will be involved within the next hour or two. Now take a deep breath to prepare yourself. You may be able to skip the cell phone step if you happen to have children, as they will be needed to help you in this step. Be sure to call them out into the backyard at this moment. Now, if you don't have any children, then you need the phone. So dial a neighbor, a nephew, a niece, a grandchild, or anyone really. While talking to them, ask them to come to the house. Okay, now that the person of your choice has arrived at your house, it's time for this final step in my special way of mowing the lawn. Take the lawnmower and hand it over to them. Now have them mow the lawn. You could bribe them, bring up something they did at some point, that was bad and you're going to expose them for whatever, for what they did, or just give them $5, whatever. Now head over to your swimming pool and sit down in your favorite chair, turn on the radio, grab your beverage, and eat your sandwich while that sucker mows your lawn. And that's how you mow a lawn. Enjoy the sandwich.